Something else that's going to get updated is this jacket. This is from SHEIN. I'm just going to do a slight alteration to this. It's really cute, but it's just not really my style. I don't know. It's just not my thing. So I'm going to change this part. I'm going to cut this off, round it out at the bottom, and have it just almost like the collar is up like this and round it. So that's what I'm going to try to do. And I'm just showing before and afters of everything, not necessarily the whole process, but this is what it looks like now. And then I'll show you the after. The other thing I have is this skirt that I bought for a special occasion. I only planned on wearing it that one time at this length, so all I'm going to do is cut this to make it shorter. And I'm going to make some changes to this little jacket too. This is an H&M blazer. I'm just going to update it by adding some leather from this coat. This is a leather coat that I got a long time ago from the Goodwill. Do not like it. It's not my style, but I can use the leather pieces to make other things. I plan on making a belt. I think I'm going to make a wallet, and I'm also going to make some elbow pads to go on this jacket. So I'm going to attach those here, and I'm going to attach some leather to the shoulder part. This is what it looks like now. Alright, I just cut this edge off. This was the collar going down. There's the buttonhole. I just cut it straight down into a swoop, and I'm going to repeat that on the other side and cut the other side. And then what I'm going to do is fold these two into each other like that. Fold it in, and then I'm going to do a top stitch all the way down on both sides. So I'm just going to show real quick the part of the shoulder that I'm using. I'm just cutting this whole section off of this coat. Here I'm taking this, cutting it back this way, across here, and then this way. And I'm putting that right on the shoulder. I already cut that one. I'm just going to do this one. And here's how it's attaching. So I already glued it. And this is the glue. Let me show you. I'm using this glue here, and my plan is to go back and reinforce it by sewing it on. So this side here is already glued. I just glued this last strip down, but all this is already dry, and then I just glued that last bit in the back. But this is how it's looking. I did cut it to go around this seam. So yeah, I'm going to put the other one on the other side. I was going to put elbow patches on the jacket, but I think I'm not going to do that. What I do think I might do is just bring some of the leather down and just accentuate the pockets on each side to coordinate. Likely not going to put the elbow pads on like I mentioned. So I will show this once it's all done. Okay, so I cut off both of the sleeves. So this is one of the sleeves. I'm going to make two little small rectangular strips, and I'm going to put them on, I'm going to glue them to the pocket. Alright, so the jacket is done. I didn't have to sew this at all. I actually cut into the lining of the jacket thinking that I was going to sew it to reinforce it, but it wasn't even working. The needle wasn't going through the leather, and I just said forget it. This glue, it actually works pretty good. I have not washed this, of course, brand newly set. Here it is. This part is glued on as I showed. It's just a piece of the leather in there, and then this is glued on under the collar all along the shoulder, and then I put some glue inside the major part of it, and then here it is. So I'll see how this lasts, and I'll let you take a look at it. I'll just dry clean it. I think this is a washable jacket, but of course now it will be dry cleaned only. So I'll just give you a look at how it looks. Let's get a little up close on this. The cuts could have been a little bit better under here. It was hard to get to it, but this is good for me. This is good enough. I think with leather you can always get away with a little bit of ruggedness because it's already a rugged material. So put this skirt on with my Stuart Weitzman boots, and I paired it up with this shirt that I designed. If you check the link below, go to my website, you can see all the designs that I created, t-shirts and other items, so please check it out. Let me just show you the other shirts. This is just a few. There's many. They're Christian based shirts, and then they're general shirts. I'm gonna be getting some more for myself, but these are some of the ones that I have for right now. I will be adding new designs over time, so please check there often. Look for things that you might like. And so yeah, here is one. This one says Child of the King, and there's a crown on there. And then this is one of the general ones. It just says Life is Sweet. This is based on my DIY channel, which is Random Bites of a Sweet Life in DIY. So just to play off the word sweet, I like to use that. Actually, to play off the word sweet life. So life is sweet. I have some other ones that say living the sweet life. There's hoodies and sweatshirts as well. This one is a sunflower. This comes in a variety of different colors. It just says God's child in the middle. And then this one says holiness unto the Lord. I am Christian, so I am promoting that. If you are Christian too, you might like some of the shirts that I'm offering. So definitely check out the link below. And even if you want a general shirt or a general sweatshirt, those are also there. And as I said, I will be adding new designs all the time. So please support. Thank you. So here's the skirt. Stuart Weitzman boots, custom shirt. Nice and cut. And in addition, I might as well just wear this together because I'm just gonna put this in as a little outfit. This is the updated jacket. So all I did was cut at the bottom, as you saw. I sewed it together here, this straight down, and then the collar was a little bit bothersome, so I just folded it in right here, and then I just sewed it down this way, sewed it down this way, and then I sewed a line straight across here. I didn't go all the way down. I just did one, and then the middle. There's a little gap in between some spots, and then I did this by hand. I just went through the top layer of the material so that you can't see it on the outside. So this is the updated jacket. And I'm gonna just put this on all together so we can see how everything looks. As you can see, it has the rounded edge on both sides. and the collar is tucked in like this, so it gives that edge there, and everything is nice and smooth. And then I ironed it so that, of course, they'll get the lines out. And then here's the whole look of how I intend to wear this with the shirt. So I put it over top of this ModCloth dress. And with the sleeves pushed up is the way I would most likely wear it. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.